In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get DeepSeek API key. By the end, you'll have your key ready and safely stored so you can start integrating DeepSeek into your apps or tools with confidence. First, open your browser and go to https://platform.deepseek.com. This is the official DeepSeek platform where you manage your account and developer settings. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll be looking for the place where developer credentials are managed. Next, click on API keys. You'll usually find this in the main navigation, either in a left-hand sidebar or under a Settings or Developer section at the top. The API keys page is where you can see existing keys and create new ones. Think of an API key like a unique pass that authenticates your requests to DeepSeek's services. It identifies you to the system and keeps usage tied to your account, so it's important to manage these carefully. Now, choose the option to create a new API key. You may be asked to provide a name or label. Use something descriptive, like the project or environment you'll use it for, so it's easy to recognize later. If you see options for scopes or permissions, choose the most limited set that still fits your needs. Keeping keys specific and restricted is a simple way to improve security and organization. Once your new key is generated, copy it right away. Many platforms will only show the full key once, for security reasons. If you navigate away without saving, you might need to generate a new one. Paste the key into something like Notepad or your device's Notes app so you don't lose it. Even better, store it in a secure Notes app or a password manager to keep it protected and easy to find. Treat it like a password. Don't share it publicly, don't post it in screenshots, and never commit it to code repositories. If you plan to use it in development, consider loading it from an environment variable rather than hard-coding it. And if you ever suspect it's been exposed, return to the API keys page and rotate or delete it, then generate a fresh one. That's all there is to it. Go to the DeepSeek platform, click on API keys, create a new key, then copy and save it somewhere safe. With your key secured, you're ready to authenticate your requests and start building. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.